Hey guys, so this is the section I'm driving on right now. That section is where they took the center of the bridge down. The section we're driving on right now, they're actually going to be pushing this into the center. So that's how this construction is going to go for this bridge. They didn't replace the center pylons. I don't know why, but what we were told is that once everything in the center is knocked down, which it looks like it is, I mean, you can't see anything other than the ground at the bottom, or the center pylons right there and right there. So what they're going to be doing is they're going to have a crap ton of machines. They're going to be in the riverbed, and they're going to push and slide the section we're driving on directly into the center of the bridge. And they're going to have the same thing happen on the other side. You know, the traffic over there, you see that side of the traffic. They're going to basically slide this side and that side to the center of the bridge. And then they're going to build a walk path so that way people can physically walk across the bridge. I've never been able to walk across the bridge before, so it's kind of neat. Figured I'd just do a quick video and show you guys a little bit more of the construction and how that's working. I do have the window open. Tommy's in the back seat laying down. So, not sure if you guys saw him. I'm kind of driving, so. But, just a quick video, guys. Lots of construction going on around here for some reason. So put the phone down and shift. There's a broke down 18-wheeler right here, too. Not even doing the speed limit, I'm doing 34, 45. Not even sure if you guys can hear me because I have the window open, but figured I'd share. Tommy's a good boy. Tommy's doing great. Oh, handsome. No, Tommy, stay. So I showed you guys, I said his name, now he wanted to jump in the front, but just a quick video, guys. Gotta get back to the house shop, pick up some supplies for a customer job on the side of the I-10, but you know, it's a pretty easy job. Just need to pick up some U-joints and a couple other things, and we'll get that knocked out in, you know, an hour or so for the customer. But I will see you guys on the next one, guys. Y'all take care. Alright, as always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out the Amazon, Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools, DJI Electronics, Ulsa Tools, Anchor, and Soundcore affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!